A revision has been made to 110.26 that states, "Working space, and access to, and egress from working space, shall be provided and maintained, about all electrical equipment, to permit ready and safe operation, and maintenance of such equipment. Open equipment doors, shall not impede access to, and egress from the working space. Access or egress, is impeded, if one or more, simultaneously opened equipment doors, restrict working space access, to be less than 24 inches wide, and 6 1/2 high." The requirement, from first draft, Section 110.26, A, 2, B, is relocated, to 110.26, because it relates, to more than, just working space width. It has also, been revised to clarify, the condition caused, by open equipment door or doors, which would impede access to, and egress from the working space. A revision has been made to clarify that the requirements in 110.26a, 2b, be relocated to 110.26 due to the fact that it relates to more than just working space width. This revision also clarifies the condition caused by open equipment door or doors which would impede access to and egress from the working space.